Siemens Digital Industry Software introduces Xcelerator Academy, the key enabler for adoption of the Siemens Xcelerator portfolio. Xcelerator Academy provides a world-class portfolio of learning offerings to enable solution adoption and drive the speed of the digital transformation cycle with Xcelerator. It gives users, developers, and implementers the skills they need to master elements of the Xcelerator portfolio and create value in their adoption of the comprehensive digital twin. Through learning events, Xcelerator Academy enables customers to make use of Siemens software quickly. They can be delivered virtually or in person, as it fits you best. In order to mitigate the forgetting curve and to deepen knowledge during the application of Siemens software in a specific job, we offer even more. Through learning memberships, we go beyond teaching by supporting successful on-the-job performance throughout the ongoing software usage. Get access to all training contents on demand at the time of need.
Packaged certifications offer a prescriptive framework of accelerated learning path and certification by role, tailored to a variety of audiences as well as to knowledge, skills, and expertise.
Learning programs support enterprises in identifying training needs, analyze target groups, and architect the right set of solutions to ramp up, develop, and sustain an educated and motivated workforce. Xcelerator Academy, a unified offering of Siemens learning services that supports customers with their individual learning experience during their digital transformation. With Xcelerator Academy, you can unlock the full potential of user proficiency to achieve maximum value with the Siemens Xcelerator portfolio.